Hey guys, sorry for not doing a YouTube video in a while. I was busy with school and stuff and doing my homework and getting good grades. So here's a Pokemon video. I'm going to open a few packs, see what I get, and hope you guys enjoy. So our first pack is in Ancient Origins. So we're getting a lot of new cards, never seen before. And for the rare, I already had that one. Let's see if we could do it. Let's see if this one's better. Guys, leave a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed. And the Vanillix. Never saw that Pokemon before. I remember this Pokemon's from the show Pokemon. I think we have 3 more packs to go. Come on, guys. Woo! It's a pretty good card. But not a single EX so far. We have 2 more. I think we have 3 more after 2 more after this one, 3 in total.